Greetings everyone, this is Matt with Wrench with Matt. I had a comment on my video where I installed the trail exhaust on the truck asking about what the difference in sound is. I think it's a little bit louder with the trail exhaust because it does remove a resonator, but I actually have a friend that has a 2024 Tacoma with the same engine, and I was able to get a sound clip of that, and I'll do a sound clip of this. We can do a before and after comparison with the exhaust system stock versus with the trail dump to see what the difference is. Thank you, Joe, for the comment. Greatly appreciate the video idea. Let's see what we sound like. Go for it. Subjectively, I think without that tailpiece on there with the exhaust dump, it sounds like a little louder with a little bit more bass. We are removing a resonator, so it does change the sound profile a little bit. It's not a huge difference, but to me it sounds a little cooler. Hope this helps. Thank you again, Joe, for the comment, and we'll catch you in the next video.